Hello students, in our first video I have told you that we are going to study some reactions and identify the type of reaction. Okay. In our first video we have conducted our reaction of that is burning of magnesium ribbon, and we have concluded that burning of magnesium ribbon is a chemical reaction. The second reaction that we are going to do is the reaction of iron nail with copper sulfate solution in water, and we will identify the type of reaction over here. Okay, so let's see what are the materials required for this reaction. Okay, this is the copper sulfate that you can see. This one is the iron nail, and I have taken water for making solution of copper sulfate with water. So let's do our experiment. In this beaker I'll take some water in it. Okay. Then we will add this copper sulfate, some amount of copper sulfate to the water. Okay. Now we'll stir the solution properly. Okay. Stir the copper sulfate solution in water properly so that it will mix with the water evenly. Now we can see the color of the solution, that is blue in color. Okay. Let's just transfer some of these solution into another beaker for comparison so that we can compare it later with the color. Comparison के लिए इसको बाद में रख लेते हैं. Now in the iron nail I am going to put in the copper sulfate solution and wait for some time to see what the changes happen in this case. Okay. Now after some time you can observe the color of this solution. So let's take the previous solution that we have keep aside for comparison. Now we can compare the color. After putting the iron nail inside the copper sulfate solution, the color of the solution becomes green. Isn't that? Compare this. Copper sulfate solution was blue in color earlier, but later on after the reaction, when we put the iron nail inside the copper sulfate solution, after the reaction, the solution changes its colors to green. And let's see what happens to the iron nail. Okay, you can see there are some brown deposits in the iron nail. The iron nail becomes brown. So what are these brown deposits over the iron nail? So that means from the copper sulfate solution, the copper is displaced and deposited on the iron nail. And from the iron nail, some amount of iron is displaced to the solution. And the green color represents that iron is present in the solution, and this brown coating represents that copper is deposited on this iron nail. You can see over here the brown color of this iron nail and the green color of the solution, which is due to the presence of iron in the solution. Okay. Now let's see the equation for this reaction. We have taken iron nail. For that we have written iron over here, Fe, and we have taken copper sulfate solution. So we have written the reactants here, iron and copper sulfate. Okay. And what are the products formed here? That is copper, which is a brown deposit over the iron nail. Copper is formed, and FeSO4. Iron is mixed with the solution SO4 and converted into FeSO4. Okay, so that green color is due to the presence of iron. So this is the FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, and copper. Okay, so here iron displaces copper. You can say in place of copper, iron is present in the product side. So iron displaces copper. That means iron is more reactive than copper. आयरन अगर कॉपर से ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव नहीं होता तो इसको डिस्प्लेस नहीं कर पाता. सो दैट मीन्स आयरन is more reactive than copper, hence it displaces the copper from its solution. Okay, so here single displacement reaction is taking place. Just one element is displacing the other element, that is one more reactive element displacing the other less reactive element. Hence this reaction is known as single displacement reaction. I hope all of you have cleared about this reaction, that is single displacement reaction between the iron and copper sulfate solution.